Hello, I'm gonna be replacing both of the O2 sensors for this car. It's a Honda Element, and this I bought this car not too long ago, and both of the O2 sensors, when I look up the number and the brand, they both are the same brand. They are really cheap sensors. They are like $35 for both of them. So I'm experiencing rough idle. I'm pretty sure this is the problem, because the code keep coming back for the O2 sensor right here in this one, the downstream. So I'm about to replace them, and if you are having problems with rough idle, it's more likely this O2 sensors. You have to get the good ones. I got the downstream for a Denso one, and the other one from Rock Auto. I got them both from Rock Auto. We're about to check the difference. Now I'm gonna be using the O2 sensor socket. Let me see if I can do it by one hand, show you what I'm doing. See if I can do it by one. Okay, it came out. Since they were replaced not too long ago, they're coming out easy. If you're struggling to remove them, just turn on the car and leave the car running for a while till it get hot. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one.